Ang rebellion, raising publicly and taking arm against the government. So gumagawa ka ng violence against your existing government. Yun ang tinatawag na rebellion. Alam mo yung continuing crime? Ibig sabihin, kahit nag-toothbrush ka lang, rebelde ka, you're brushing your teeth, pwede kang hulihin ng Armed Forces of the Philippines. Why? Because rebellion is a continuing crime. When we say continuing crime, kahit wala kang ginagawa, as long as nagre-rebelde ka, you are part of the rebellious organization, you are already committing a crime. Lalo na pag you're taking arm against the government. Kahit natulog ka dyan, pwede kang hulihin kahit walang warrant of arrest. Kasi, continuing crime, it means kahit wala kang ginagawa, natulog ka lang, kumakain ka lang, as long as you are part of the taking arm against the government, you are still committing a crime because rebellion is a continuing crime.